Cheerful good morning, children. Today in accounts, we are going to take our sum number 16, which is given textbook page number 272. Now, as you can see, the sum is given. Only adjustment type of information given in the sum. Kamal, Bimal, and Vimal are the partners sharing profit and loss ratio 1 is to 2 is to 3. Now, their balances are given capital, general reserve, loan of Vimal, goodwill. And afterwards given the Vimal died on 31st May. So here that is the important things. So Vimal is retiring due to he died on 31st May. So basic difference in this sum we are learning the date of balance sheet and date of retirement. Here is a difference of 2 months. So this is the important things which we have to remember. And this sum we are not preparing revaluation account, partners, capital and balance sheet, but only Vimal's capital account. So turning points are coming here. We have to pay attention. First we'll make the format of Vimal's capital account. As you can see here, Vimal's capital account debit, credit and date column will come here compulsory, as 31st March balances are given and 31st May he died. So 2 months difference is there in date difference. So that's why I will write date column also in this sum. Now first information given in the sum is the balance of Vimal is 30,000. So we'll take 30,000 BD, right? Afterwards given general reserve, we are distributing among the partners. Amount is given 24,000. Now ratio is given 1 is to 2 is to 3. So divide by 6 and into by 3 Vimal's share. So it will come 12,000 rupees, which we will take in Vimal's capital account, his share 12,000. Same way balance of loan is given 10,000 will transfer. Then goodwill is given old 12,000. As you can see the 12,000 old balance is given. So this goodwill we are debit side writing. Again we will divide it by 6 into by 3. Share of Vimal is 3 and total is 6. So it will come 6,000 and we will record 6,000 debit side of partners capital account. Now next adjustment onwards. Vimal died on 31st May. The following conditions were provided in partnership deed. The goodwill of firm is to be valued at 2 years purchase of average profit of last 3 years. Now here we are doing the practice of our third lesson, goodwill, valuation of goodwill, in which we have learned the calculation. So first our working comes calculate average profit to find out new value of goodwill. Average profit equation sigma xi upon n. 3 years profit is given and 25,000, 40,000, 25,000. So total will be 90,000 divided by 3. So average goodwill step number 1 came 30,000. Now second step we have to find out the value of goodwill. It is given 2-year purchase. Now you can see the sum. 2-year purchase is given. So average profit came 30,000 into by 2. So it will come 60,000 value of goodwill. Now this is the total firm's goodwill and we have to find out the Vimal's value of goodwill, and Vimal's value of goodwill is 3 is to 3 by 6. So his share 3 by 6 and 30,000 new goodwill value we will show in Vimal's capital account here. I hope this point is very clear to you. Now we'll take adjustment number 2. Adjustment number 2 is given the profit share of deceased partner till the date of death is to be decided on the basis of average last 3 year profit. Now last 3 years profit we have seen it came 30,000, right? Now we'll continue in the next our photo. So adjustment number 2, step number 1 will come. Profit we have to find out. Profit is given 30,000 for the whole year and 31st March to 31st May, 2 months are there. So 2 months average profit we have to find out. So 30,000 we will calculate and it will come 5,000 for 31st March 2016 to 31st May. Now Vimal's share, this is for the firm 5,000. Vimal's share is 3 by 6 means 1 by 2, so 2,500. So now 2,500 this we will record as profit and loss account. Credit side of partners means Vimal's capital account, bracket will write profit 2,500. Now last adjustment is given. Interest on capital is allowed 12% per annum. Now this calculation again we will see. Interest on capital adjustment number 3. Equation PRN upon 100. So 30,000 balance is given. So P value came 30. 12% interest is given in the adjustment. Now 2 by 12 we have taken from 31st March to 31st May. 2 months time period. So 2 months we will calculate and it will come 600. So we'll write 600 credit side of Vimal's capital account. Now here we have completed all the adjustment, but still remain one secret hidden adjustment. Now that is hidden adjustment is loan. Loan of Vimal is given, but interest they have not told. So how we are taking final account 6%? No information in that time we have to take 6%. So on 10,000 6% for 2 months as the time period 31st March to 31st May, 2 months. So it will come 100 rupees and 100 rupees interest or loan we will show here. And now all the entries are over. We will take the total. Total of credit side came 85,200 and we will minus 6,000 and difference we will transfer to Vimal's executor account or Vimal's loan account. Here we have completed our sum number 16. I hope it is very clear to you. Now new point is merged in sum number 17 and what we have learned in sum number till sum number 15. So your homework is sum number 16 and 17 both. 16 understand and afterwards solve. It is written and you can see now sum number 17 is your homework. And tomorrow onwards your unit test. All the best for unit test also. Bye. Have a nice day. Take care of yourself and your family members.